What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing a review of my car, which is a 2019 Infiniti QX50. I will do a full review of it for you, show you the exterior, interior, and a couple things that I've done to it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. This is a 2019 Infiniti QX50. I'm going to start with the key fob. So this is the key fob here. I have it in a nice case that match the color of the vehicle. And you have your typical buttons: lock, unlock, trunk opener, panic, and auto starter to auto start the vehicle. To auto start the vehicle, you will double press the lock button and press the auto start button and hold it. The vehicle will auto start and the vehicle will run for 15 minutes once you auto start it. I'm gonna give you a quick walk around the vehicle on the exterior to show you what I did to it to make it look the way it looks right now. I like to make my car look different on the road so it doesn't look like every Infiniti out there. So I'm gonna show you what I did. I pretty much blacked out most of the chrome accent on the car. So I wrapped the front grille right here, wrapped it up all black. I also painted the wheels black to match all the chrome accent. I painted the calipers blue to match the paint color. There was a chrome part here. I got that wrapped black as well. The mirror caps got wrapped black. I got the windows tinted 40% all around. The factory tints were in the back window when I got the car, so the 40% adding on top of it make it look all blacked out. Stepping back a little here, you can see how it looks. I'm planning to have all the chrome parts around the window wrapped black as well to finish the whole black accent around the vehicle to make it look the way I want it to look. There was a chrome bar right here on the trunk. I had that blacked out as well. This is a side view of how the vehicle look on the other side. One of the features that I like about the car is the keyless entry feature. You can push the button on the door and to lock the car and put your hand behind the door handle to open it. The interior has all black leather seat, front and back. You have your two screen here up front. One is the navigation screen and the other one is your infotainment screen. Let's take a look at the back seats, which are very comfortable and spacious for your passengers. They will have their own AC vents, USB charger, and a 12-volt charger. The cargo area is keyless entry. If I can find the button here, there we go. There it is. It's gonna pop open for me. Look at all the space I have. Even though I have all this stuff in the back, I still have a lot of space. I can put the two back seats down if I ever need more space in the back to create more space. I'm gonna show you the interior on the driver's side. When you open the door, you could with this beautiful interior again. Then I'm gonna start it up so you can see. You just push. It's a push to start button right here. You press that thing, and then start the car up for you. Look at this shifter. I've never seen a shifter like this. To put it on drive, you put your foot on the brake, and then there's a button right here. You press that, then you just push it back, and it goes to drive. You push it back again, it goes to manual mode, and then reverse is all the way up, and then neutral is just something in the middle, which sometimes it's hard to get to. If I can do it, I can't. But yeah, and then this is your park button right here. Press park to put it in park, and this is your typical driving mode. When you push the mode button, you get this screen. You can either put it on eco, you can do on standard drive, sport, and then you can personalize your own mode. You can like customize the steering wheel, stiffness, and all that. And this is the steering wheel with all the buttons that have everything handy for you right there. This is your cruise control button, your menu switch button for the screen. As you press this button, it switch the menus on this screen right here in front of you. You can go for music screen, navigation, information about your driving, your fuel economy screen, your I think that's the sensor screen for the blind spot monitoring, and that's your tire pressure. When you're driving, it shows you your tire pressure on this screen to make sure that you have the right amount of air in your tires. And as we go to this screen here, this is mainly your infotainment screen, where you have the menu for all the setting in the car, like navigation setting, vehicle setting. All the setting that you need is located in this screen down here. You got your Bluetooth, vehicle setting, navigation, audio setting, screen setting, volume adjustment, to set up your clock, your in-touch service, your voice recognition, your camera and sonar. All that is there for you. The drive mode selection, this is where you can customize the car or how it drives. You can set up your transmission and engine setting, your steering wheel stiffness. I have mine on sport right now. Trace mode, which is traction control is on. The engine braking is on though, so engine braking helps me slow down when I'm driving. As soon as I lift my foot off the gas pedal, it starts slowing the car down for me. I like that feature a lot. It protects my brakes from wear and tear. And this is the navigation screen. Also give you some information about your fuel economy, which is what I customized that there. Besides that, I don't really use the screen too much. And that takes me to the second thing that I don't like about this car. So, the second thing I don't like about this car, for a 2019 model car, you would have thought, Infiniti would have put the Apple CarPlay feature in the car, but they didn't. They only put it in the 2020 and up models. So now, if I had a 2020, that top screen where the navigation is would be where the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto's information would have displayed. But since I don't have that, the screen is only used for map purposes, which I never used. If there was a way to turn it off, I would have turned it off, but because I never use it. And I did some research to see how much it would cost me to integrate the Apple CarPlay in the car so I can have it. Right now, if I choose to do that, it will cost me over $1,000 just to do, which I don't think is worth doing. I'm just gonna have to live with it until I can change the car to a car that has Apple CarPlay. One of the features that I love about this car is the panoramic moonroof. I'm gonna open it for you guys so you can see it. Just push this button right here, and then it goes back all the way. Get that, guys. Get that. That thing is beautiful. And then the roof opens up. There's some sun comes in. Same thing. Push back. It's gonna close. I'm gonna keep the shade open for now. But look at that beautiful glass. And I gotta leave you with a lesson. So my lesson for today is, if you're looking for a car and you don't wanna buy a brand new car, you can buy a certified pre-owned car, which is 2 years old, 3 years old. Depends on what car you're looking for. So you don't have to go and get a brand new car and pay the full price for the car, because car depreciates. Me personally, I never buy any car brand new. I always wait 2 years or 3 years to buy the car that I want, so I don't pay the price brand new for it, because I don't see the point of buying a car brand new, because it's gonna depreciate as soon as you drive it off the lot. It starts depreciating. So this car, when I bought it, it only had 20,000 miles on it, which is, for Infiniti slash Nissan, that's pretty good. And then I saved probably $11,000 to $12,000 of what it would cost me brand new, and the car still look brand new, still drive brand new, still under factory warranty, and also purchase the extended warranty after the factory warranty is up. So if anything breaks in the car, you'll be covered. You don't have to stuck with a with a big bill for repair. So there's nothing wrong with buying a car certified pre-owned or second-hand, as long as you do your research, you know what you're looking for, you know the value of the car. You can buy the car and save some money that way. Cars get depreciating every day. Save your money. You can always get a decent car for a decent price and come out on top. I went from a 2014 Honda Accord to a 2019 Infiniti, and I traded my car in, which was in perfect condition, cosmetically and mechanically. I got a decent amount of money to put down towards this car, which saved me more money. So if you're looking for a car, it doesn't have to be brand new. It can be certified pre-owned, 2 years to 3 years old, with less miles on it, and you're still gonna feel like you have a brand new car. That was my purpose for making this video today, to show you how a car can still look good even though you buy it pre-owned. It still feels like you have a brand new car. So if you're out there looking for a car to replace your car, or you're in the market to get a new car for the first time, it doesn't have to be a brand new car. You can always go the certified pre-owned route and save lots of money. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Always like, subscribe to the channel. I have more contents coming for you. Stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one.